leggings are literally so soft. They feel like butter against my skin. They are so breathable. They are just the softest pair of leggings ever. I also love that they come all the way up high-waisted to my stomach. I love the tummy high-rise stomach. It makes me feel so much more comfortable, and I just absolutely love that fact of the high waist. The fabric of these, I wish you could feel them. They are so soft. They feel so amazing on my skin, and they're the perfect pair that I can lounge on them. It literally feels like I'm not wearing anything. They also are not see-through, so I can wear these to the gym as well and not worry about, you know, showing anything or being see-through, which I also love.
Hi guys, it's Anna Marie with Review Pronto, and I'm going to be showing you guys my ultimate favorite pair of leggings for when I want to feel really comfortable and also confident while working out or doing any outdoor activity. They are my women's high-waisted black leggings. So here is how my leggings look on. They are, of course, high-waisted. So that means that it's really going to cinch in my waist, and these leggings of course have tummy control. So you can really see how they squeeze in my stomach and really accentuate all other areas. I absolutely love how the band is super thick, so great for that tummy control. Here are the leggings, kind of a better view of them from the side. I think they really accentuate great. And I really like how they kind of hug my back as well. And I really like how the material is a very nice stretchy material. It is great for working out because of course we don't want any see-through leggings, and these are definitely not see-through. They're made with super nice thick quality, and I like how they go down to a very good length. They're not too long or too short, which is great. So guys, these high-waisted leggings are 92% polyester and 8% spandex. So the spandex is what really gives the legging a very nice stretchy material, and then the polyester is what really gives us that very breathable, nice, soft material. I also love how these leggings are great for a lot of activities such as cycling, running, working out, lifting. Like I said, they're squat proof, so you don't need to worry about doing those activities and worrying about your pants being see-through or ripping. And you really feel very secure in your pants and very well tucked in, while also being super comfy and not restricting at all. I definitely recommend these a 10 out of 10, you guys. I love how comfy they are, and of course how breathable the material is. That is super important when finding a good workout legging. I definitely think you guys will love this, and you should definitely try it out soon. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see each and every one of you guys next time.